everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel. I'm Anna, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm David. Welcome back, our wonderful learners. We're excited, we're energized, and we're ready to help you practice real English for real life.
Yes, and today's episode is super fun because we're going to the salon and the barber shop.
Ah, yes, a magical place where hair becomes fabulous, or sometimes surprising. They both laugh.
Exactly. So today we'll teach you how to talk about haircuts, nails, beards, fades, trims, and all the useful vocabulary you need.
This is perfect English for beginners and A2 learners. Clear, slow, friendly, natural English. And don't worry, we repeat expressions to help you learn.
Let's start with haircuts because sooner or later, everyone needs one.
Yes, and describing your haircut in English can be challenging, but after today, you'll sound confident and clear.
Okay, let's introduce some useful words. I'll say the word and David will explain it. I have an appointment.
I have an appointment means you already planned to go and decided a time. Have an appointment.
I have an appointment at 6:30 p.m.
We should not forget our appointments.
Everyone has an appointment.
The useful word is appointment.
Trim.
A trim means cutting just a little, just a tiny bit, to keep the same style. Not a big change.
Layers.
Layers are different lengths of hair that create shape and movement.
Fringe or bangs.
Hair that comes down on your forehead. Some people love them, some people regret them after 1 week. They both laugh.
Fade. Low fade, mid fade, high fade.
A fade means the hair slowly gets shorter on the sides. A low fade starts low. A high fade starts higher.
Buzz cut.
A very short machine-cut style. Bzzz, like that.
Side part.
Hair parted on one side. Very classic.
And don't forget, undercut, beard trim, line up, taper, neck cleanup, thinning, wash and cut, blow dry.
See? So much vocabulary. But we'll repeat them later.
Now let's practice useful phrases. Repeat after us if you're listening at home. Just a light trim, please.
Take a little off the sides.
Keep the top longer.
I want a low fade.
Short on the sides, longer on top.
Can you clean up the beard?
Not too short, please.
I want to keep the same style. Just tidy it up.
These phrases are perfect because they are simple, clear, and natural.
And remember, practice makes progress. You don't need perfection.
Okay, let's act it out. I'll be the barber.
And I'll be a handsome customer.
A very confident customer.
They both laugh.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like a haircut, please. Just a light trim. Not too short, please.
Sure. Would you like to keep the same style?
Yes, keep the same style. Short on the sides, longer on top.
Great. And do you want a beard trim?
Yes, please. Can you clean up the beard? Just tidy it up.
Perfect. And do you want a wash and cut?
Yes, please. I love the hair washing part.
Same. It always feels so relaxing. vocabulary time.
Now let's talk about the nail salon.
Manicure, pedicure, nail polish, gel nails, acrylic nails, nail file, cuticle, nail clipper, nail art, base coat or top coat, remove polish.
That's a lot, but we'll make it easy.
Let's do another role play, nail salon version. I'll be the nail technician.
And I'll be a fabulous customer looking for a manicure.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like a manicure, please.
Sure. Do you want gel nails or regular polish?
Do you have gel polish?
Yes, we do. And what color would you like?
I want this color, something simple.
Great. Do you want to cut them short?
Yes, please, just shape and clean, nothing fancy.
Perfect. And do you want nail art?
Ha. Maybe next time. Today, just simple, clean, and relaxing.
Okay. Take your time and enjoy.
Thank you. That feels nice.
Oh, I love when customers say that.
Now let's talk about booking appointments.
These are phrases you must know. I'd like to book an appointment.
Do you have any openings today?
I have a 2 p.m. appointment.
Is walking okay?
How long is the wait?
Simple, useful, real English you can use today.
When you're at the salon, don't forget these natural expressions. Take your time. That feels nice. I love it. Thank you. Can you go a bit shorter? Perfect. Just what I wanted.
These expressions make your experience better, and they help you sound natural.
And confident. Simple teaching moments.
Let's highlight 4 useful mini lessons. 1. Use softeners to sound polite. Just a trim, please. Just shape and clean, please. 2. Use a little for small changes. Take a little off the sides. A little shorter, please. 3. Use keep for the same style. Keep the top longer. Keep the same style. 4. Use can you for requests. Can you clean up the beard? Can you remove the old polish?
Okay, friends, let's review everything.
Repeat after us.
Trim, layers, fringe, bangs, fade, buzz cut, side part, undercut, beard trim, lineup, taper, blow dry.
Just a light trim, please. Take a little off the sides. Keep the top longer. I want a low fade. Not too short, please.
I'd like to book an appointment. Do you have any openings today? Is walk-in okay? How long is the wait?
Manicure, pedicure, nail polish, cuticle, nail art, base coat, top coat, remove polish.
I'd like a manicure. Just shape and clean, please. I want this color. Do you have gel polish? Perfect. Just what I wanted.
Great job, everyone. Repeat and review anytime. Practice makes progress.
Thank you so much for joining us today. You learned so much real-life English for the salon and barbershop.
Remember to immerse yourself in English, speak without fear, and listen actively. If you enjoyed today's episode, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us, what haircut vocabulary do you want to learn next?
We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next episode.
Bye!
Bye.